So today I thought we could make a 3D fish because today is World Ocean Day. And fish live in the ocean, so I thought that would be fun for us to do. So what you'll need is you'll need some coloured paper. If you don't have coloured paper, you can colour in a sheet of paper yourself. I found some jazzy paper lying around, which will help for my fins. I've got a pencil, a black marker, some scissors and some glue. Okay, what we need to do first, so step one, is take the top corner and we need to move it right over to the edge to make a square. So we're going to make a crease going down the side, and then I'm going to cut off the excess paper, so this rectangle here. I might use that later. Okay, so I've got a nice square. What we now need to do is we're going to take our corner and take it into the middle to our centre crease. Okay, so it's almost like we're making quarters. We're going to make another one. Okay, so it kind of looks like a kite. I'm going to open it out and we're going to fold it back into the centre like this. So you're going to have it like this in front of you. Then you need to get your pencil and you need to draw your lines, but you need to draw them towards this corner, just to the centre line, about 1 centimetre apart. Okay. If you have a ruler, that would be really handy, but I don't have one. Okay, so I'm just going to stop there. Then you need to get your scissors, you need to turn the paper this way, and we need to cut really carefully just to the centre line, so just to that crease. If you need to ask your adult to help you, you can. But you need to be careful with your scissors, only to the centre crease. Okay. And last one, just there. So we also need to give our fish his round nose. So I'm just going to cut off that corner, just like that. Okay. So if I open it up, this is how it should look. So we've got our scales. Okay. So now what we need to do is we need to take this corner. We need to get our glue. We need to stick along the corner. This is how we're going to make our fish 3D. So we're going to bend it around and we're going to stick other flap on top. Just use your fingers to go inside, press it down. This is the body of our fish. Okay. Make sure it's all nice and flat. So I've got a spare piece of white paper. I'm just going to fold it to make a little fold, and then I'm going to cut a round circle. These are going to be our fish's eyes. So ask your adult to help you with that. So we've got 2 eyes for our fish. And every eye needs a pupil, so I'm just going to do 2 round dots or 2 round circles. Okay, so there are our eyes. We're going to get our glue, stick our eyes on. So one is going to go here. Oops. And the other one is going to go on the other side. Okay, so our fish is starting to take shape. He's got his eyes, he's got his 3D scales. So I'm going to make our fish's tail. I think I'm going to use this jazzy silver to make our fish's tails. So I'm just going to cut a little square off like this. I'm going to fold that square in half. I'll make a long rectangle, and I'm going to start from the corner. I'm going to go up and around and in, and I've made a heart. Okay, so then I'm going to stick our tail on. So I'm just going to do a little bit down the centre with your glue. Make sure you've got enough on. And we're going to stick it on. Make sure you got good glue for it to stick. Okay, that's not sticking. And then we need to make some fins. So I'm going to use this purple. Or should I use the blue? Let's use the blue. So I'm going to cut another square off. And I'm going to fold that in half as well. And I'm just going to cut off the corners to make it into a nice oblong. So, and then I'm just going to put them underneath. Make sure you've got lots of glue on again. Stick it in. And this is the other fin. Stick that one out. Okay, and with your saved bit from your blue card, you need to give the fish a mouth. Okay, so you need to measure our fish. It's a bit wide. So I'm just going to cut that bit off. I'm going to cut it in half, our paper. And I'm just going to make one end round, like the tip of your tongue. So this is our fish's mouth. Scissors down. Okay. Cut it a bit shorter. You don't need all of that. I'm going to put some glue on the end. Just a strip of glue. Stick it inside. And this is your 3D fish.